Hey folks, how are you doing? It's nice to see all of you here on my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll tell you about another trading session of mine and help you make money. I'll tell you how to do that, so do watch this video up to the end. Please make sure you like it, subscribe to my channel and click the notification button so you don't miss anything. Under this video, you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions. You will also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. Send me a direct message in my private Telegram channel and get my personal link for pocket option registration, which will give you a 50% bonus on your deposit. It's absolutely free. Now let's go to pocket option and read the chart. Today we're trading the currency pair Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. We bet 5% of the deposit and the expiration time is 1 minute. The quotes are going up and they're opening up trade. Now let's go over the reasons behind this decision. As we can see, the price is going up and it has broken through the middle band of the junction channel indicator. But the maximum for the past 30 minutes at 0.9250 has not been reached. From the stochastic oscillator indicator, we can see its readings tend towards the 80 level. Thus, we may conclude that in the near future, the price will continue to rise. We see that the price is struggling to go up, but the growth is minimal. At the same time, we see the quotes fluctuate significantly, yet we see the prices within our range, although minimally. We continue to monitor it, and it goes up. But it almost immediately reverses in the blink of an eye and goes down. Still, the most important thing for us is that all these changes in price take place at a level we're comfortable with. Let's wait till the end of the trade. It's still up in the air, let's see, and here we go. And the first trade of today's session closes at a profit of $178. It's a good start, let's move on. Now let's do the next analysis and look for a new entry point. The price begins to fall down and pushes the center line of the Donchian indicator, and then it bounces off of it. This unstable action is caused by the fight between buyers and sellers in the market. To choose the most probable quotation movement, I studied the indicator signals, and I make a decision to open a trade with $200 in for 1 minute and bet on the price going down. The reason behind this choice of the direction is that the price has not broken through the center line of the Donchian indicator, though it has shifted it down significantly. Now, stochastic oscillator indicator signals a possible price reversal. The line of the indicator was in the overbought zone and the tendency to exit from it began to form. I would like to underline that the candlestick on the chart shows the change in quotes every 30 seconds, which also helps us to forecast the quotes changes more accurately. And looking at the chart, we see that the price starts to go down and it goes steadily. Yes, the sellers seize the initiative. At the next fall, the price breaks through the center line of the Donchian indicator and then reverts again. What's happening to the price? It went up like crazy and is approaching the entry point of the trade like a house on fire. So tense, let's zoom in and bingo, yeah, that was stressful. At the very end of the trade, it nearly went down the drain. Yes, we made a profit of $178. And in the meantime, I decided on a down trade for 1 minute with $200 in. The reason behind this decision is that the price has rushed up but failed to move higher. The stochastic indicator signaled a possible down movement of the price at the moment. We see from the chart that despite the forecast, the price went up. I keep saying it is impossible to completely eliminate the risk of losing your money when trading. It's clear from the chart that after going down, the price returns to the top position and is now at the minimum level that suits us. This trade is very tough. The quotes are consolidating around the entry point of the trade, which doesn't add to our optimism. There is a strong confrontation between market participants, and the outcomes are hard to foresee. Here we go again. The price reverts after a down movement, so watch it. And yeah, that didn't look real, but yet again, we closed this trade at a profit of $178. And to prove me right, the price goes down after the trade closes. And now we want to find a new entry point. We need to decide on the most probable price movement, but there's no dramatic difference from the previous situation on the chart. The stochastic indicator signals a possible decline in price. The candlestick position also indicates the continuation of the bearish trend. And I open a down trade for 1 minute with the same $200 in. And as we see, the price started to push down confidently, but it bounces off of the Donchian indicator center line. Trading is very stressful today, but so far the risk has been paying off. We sent our hopes on the new opening candlestick and on the sellers. Unfortunately, the candle is making but a slight movement, which tells us that at this point the buyers are as strong as sellers. And the buyers are being very active. This trade is also very tense, and it is impossible to say for sure how things will turn out. And if you pay attention to the percentage of premium on this trade, it is quite high, which indicates a low predictability of this pair's action at the moment. Another 30 seconds go by and a new candle opens, which is hardly moving and staying almost on the same level. Watch this and yippee! It was very, very emotional, but we did it. And the profit is $178. Let's now read the quotes to spot a new entry point for another trade. We see that the price breaks down through the Donchian indicator center line like crazy, and I decide to open a position betting on the price going down. The bet remains the same, $200 for 1 minute. When making a decision, I also took into account the stochastic indicator signal of a possible fall in price. A new candlestick opens and drops to 0.9244 and stops. So this trade will probably be not easy either. After being fixed for a while, the price proceeds down and reaches the lowest level we are comfortable with. Let us continue watching what is happening. The new candle went up slightly at the opening and then got frozen again. All these unpredictable price movements keep us on the edge of our seat all through this trade. Even though the price is now at the level we want, in today's trading session, the risk of losing money is higher than ever. Only deep technical analysis of both the indicators and the chart secures us against this. Now watch it and yeah! And this trade closes at a profit and we're making another $178. This trading session kept me on the edge of my seat. But despite all the difficulties, you can make a profit even under such difficult conditions. And our result for today is $819, and we made it within 7 minutes. I think that's an excellent outcome. We wouldn't have achieved this without technical analysis on the indicator signals I used today. I highly recommend you to make use of indicators, and don't forget that the way to success in trading goes hand in hand with technical analysis. Keep trading binary options because, as we can see, the analysis techniques are super simple here. And before we say goodbye, in the description below the video you will find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any question you have. You will also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. And more, if you direct message me on my private Telegram channel, you will get a personal link to Pocket Option registration, which will give you a whopping 50% bonus to your deposit for free. So, dear friends, that's a great offer. I do hope you found this video useful. Thank you for being with me all this time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell so you don't miss anything. That's about all for today. Good luck in the market. Take care, folks, and see you soon in the next video.